You didn't travel out of the village? Or you went into hiding because of the money your father was owing my brother?
Dear brother, please, we have been over this. Let us go home. Forget about this matter.
Let us go.
Yes.
Go where? Go home. I won't forget it. It shouldn't be forgotten. Why are you saying this? Hey! Why is it that if men see women, they just collapse?
I take an exception to that. How can you say things like
that? You can't take it. It's just similar to what happens in the Bible. Where something saw Delilah and collapsed. I fell. Huh? And you, I'm going to search in the Constitution of all the sections with my lawyer that will bring the two of you in court and expose you. Two of you. Two of you.
Expose us?
Yes.
For what now?
You asking for what? I've been sweating for a long time, fighting over this money. You just came just now to say forget about it. You're asking me, exposing you for what? Iche. There's a liaison between the two of you.
Iche, please. Please, I beg you in God's name. Because of my late father, for his sake, please listen to Baba Chisom and just forget this issue.
Well, it's been confirmed. It's been confirmed that there's a liaison between the two of you. You are pleading on her behalf, and she is now pleading on your behalf. Tell her the truth. One name worker, Munya Wagenta, or to us no point is a good one. Hey! No, and you are tell us what's going between the two of you.
Nothing is going on. I want to answer this matter, and I have already answered of it.
Why are you saying forget the money?
She is not the one owing me. The father who is owing me is dead. So
you were waiting for her father to die before coming indirectly to propose to her. That is it. So that money she's owing you now with her father is now a secret diary. No, secret bride price. Hey!
I did not pay her bride price.
Let's bring the money from her, no. Let's bring back the money. If you leave it, it becomes bride price.
How can you be saying this? Leave this poor girl alone.
You're still saying leave her. Hey! Ananum. You don't want them and one day. One name money I can does no good as a good one. Where's Nazuma moving? He went on no. Cheese saw what we think can caro. Aji Kalaka Aros in Apata. Hey, ya Baba.
It's mine, not yours. You only allow the poor girl to leave.
Why are you so keen on this matter? Please, have mercy on this girl and forget about the money.
Your father made me very angry by the unguarded statement he made in public in my presence. Even if one can forgive him. What of that irresponsible, just like somebody who has lost his senses, statement he made before the young woman? What of that one?
It might just be the slip of the tongue.
Not only slip of the tongue, slip of the tongue, slip of the nose, even slip of the senses. Yes, Chisom, just go to my place, lift the pillow on the bed, bring out my phone there. I'm going to make a call to my lawyer in Sapele, who studied international law and jurisprudence, to take this matter to court. After the court procedure, your father must be properly prosecuted.
Yes. No, brother. Who is prosecuting who?
You must be properly prosecuted to know how to talk in public, how not to talk. The words to use want to be reasonable and sound, and not the unguarded and uncouth statement you make in public. Yes!
Which statement did I make? Me? How?
You're asking how? Huh? Didn't you consider the fact of her femininity? I mean, fragility of woman. Yet you went ahead to say what you said in her presence.
Did I say anything I missed? I only said we have gotten over this issue before. I just forget about it.
So you can't recall how you said it. Well, in the court of law, it will be proven and you will be prosecuted. So after the court case, you will now learn how to talk reasonably, soundly in public. Not to talk anyhow. The matter will go to court. Please, Chisom, go and bring the phone I told you. Oh?
You still want to call your old brave lawyer?
I'm going to call him. It's not a small matter. The idea is after going through the court process, my brother, who is not learned, will now know how to present himself in public. It's a simple thing. Nobody is here to ditch anybody, destroy anybody, maim anybody.
I lost my money here and you still want to press charges against me?
Lost your money?
I lost my money and you still want to press charges against me?
The money does not matter as the case of making you know how to behave in public. Huh. See, I am learned, as you know. I want to bring you up. No harm is intended, please. Chisom, just go. So I can get this recharge rubbish you call recharge card, which if one starts to use, before you know it, it's exhausted. Go and bring it. It's a serious matter.
Are you sure he's around? I don't know.
Izunna!
Who's that?
Biara, Naija, Dego.
Jane!
My
princess! How are you? Fine, though. Let me get you a seat.
Thank you.
Just sit down.
Thank you.
When did you come back?
Yesterday.
I don't say that you didn't ask for me.
I've been asking after you since.
Yeah, now.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
And what do I offer you?
Music.
Music. Please, what do I offer you, Jane?
Same thing. Music.
Oh. People are not serious.
Yeah.
Sorry, my dear, what do I offer you?
Music.
Did you plan this?
Please hurry up.
Okay, let me get my guitar.
Okay. Very well. Trust me. Thank you. I'll dance.
Okay, so what do I play for you?
Any sweet one that you taste. Give us a taste.
Okay, let me think of something. How was it?
Fine. Izunna. Izunna, what is it?
Izunna. What is it? Mama did what? Mama did what?
What is it?
Mama is dead. Mama is dead. Mama is dead. Mama is dead. Oh, Mama. Mama. Why did you leave me off?
Izunna, it's okay. Stop crying. It's okay.
My princess, I want to thank you for everything you have done for me. Honestly, I don't know where to start. I don't know what I could have done. How could I have carried out my mother's burial if not for your assistance? Thank you very much.
It's okay, so you don't need to thank me. I gave from my heart. I knew you didn't have. I only know that you have spent a lot for your mother's sake. I lost my mother, so I vow never to see a mother cry. So don't mind me. Everything I gave was from the depth of my heart.
Thank you. Thank you very much, honestly. How come your father, who is the king, is not always around, especially in this kingdom? Why is that so?
Do you want to see my father now?
No, I don't want to see him. Just that I hear people talk about him a lot. I haven't met him and the way he rules this kingdom.
Okay, my father and his brother were at loggerheads about the kingship of this kingdom. Finally, my father got the throne, but his brother is doing everything possible to tarnish his image. Though my father is equally a businessman, he goes from time to time for his business trips.
Okay.
Yeah, but that doesn't, I mean, the villagers shouldn't be saying rubbish about what they don't know. You know what? Let's go to the palace. I want to introduce you to my father, the king.
Introduce me to him as what?
Let me think. As the king's in-law.
What's it, Tikwano? How can you introduce me to him as his in-law? Okay, you think if you mention that word in-law, I'll begin to shake. I want to go see him. You can't fool me, my princess.
Is that an insult or what?
No. How can I insult you? How can I insult my one and only adorer? My princess. It's not an insult.
Okay. So why did you say that I was playing with your brain?
Because, well, Jane already told me you're getting married very soon.
Jane! Oh, I'm going to kill her. Don't mind Jane. The truth is that I have a suitor. Yeah, but he's not from our community. But my father advised I marry someone from our land. You know, as his only child, it's good I marry from our community.
And you are heeding his advice?
Yes. Well, let's forget that topic. So, play for me.
Play for you again? Okay, what song do I play for you this time?
You know what I like. Anything
I don't know
special.
what you like. You never come up with any song. You only ask me to play, so you give me a track today. All right, there we go. Monkey won't be like him master here. He take his shaving stick, he shaving beer, he rubbing powder, he look for me road. He say if I'm past master, he take him motor key, he sit down for motor. Now he see one fine woman, he want to strike the woman. The lady run away, he begin pursue her. Everybody come and save me from monkey wahala. Everybody come and help me from monkey wahala. Oh yeah, yanga yanga. Oh yeah, yanga. Oh yeah, yanga yanga. Oh yeah, yanga yanga. Oh yeah, yanga. Oh yeah, yanga yanga, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, yanga yanga, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, yanga yanga, oh yeah.
Johannes, I don't like what is happening in our universities these days. I don't.
Our universities?
Yes, Your Highness. My son called me and said their lecturer is mandating them, forcing them to buy 10 different novels from 10 different authors.
Is anything wrong with that?
Everything is wrong with it. He said, the lecturer said, that they must all be foreign novels, non-local. Then I asked him, is the lecturer a white man? He said, no, a black man. Can you imagine that?
But I'm sure they read African novels too.
Who told you? Ha! When I was in Sapele under a white employer, he told me he would never read African novels. Likewise his children. I was angry. You know what I did? I spat on his face. What do you mean? You're in Africa. You don't want to read local novels. It must be foreign novels with your children. What do you mean?
How do you mean? I don't understand it.
What I'm saying is this. That is not the best way to train our children, forcing them to read foreign novels. What do you have in foreign novels? If it's not kissing in public, it is romance. You touch a woman here, you touch her the other place. In public, even in places like a beach, they go nude. That's what we see in the novels. The worsen the matter, you read about shooting, cause of shooting you don't know. Is that how they want our children to be trained? We have African novels that delve into culture, tradition of the people. How best to train your children? We have writers like Chinua Achebe, King Chukwuemeka Kinke, Flora Mapra. What of even our own Chimamanda Adichie, Igwe?
It will never change.
Oh.
We allow the universities to do their own.
No, they should have guided. In fact, people like us who are parents, who are elders now, should be guiding them. They call us from time to time to organize a workshop about how, after all, it's our own children that they are training, not their own children. And we pay yearly for this training to happen. What of wonderful books like Ngugi wa Thiong'o? What of Things Fall? What of Man of the People? They are abound. They are many. And they are saying they should be left to lie low.
Yes, the concubines.
Concubines! If you understand what I'm saying, you're trying to hide under whatever. I mean, what happened by them?
I see.
Our children should not be left to go astray. This will be brought back to our own culture, our own tradition, through local novels. Because
the truth is that Adora has a very good heart. The things she has done for me, I don't even know how to say them. She has a good heart.
Jay, my point is that Izunna has a girlfriend, and they have been dating for a long time now. I don't want this princess issue to be a problem.
Well, I've told you that Adora has a man who is willing to marry her if she's ready. The problem is from the king, who doesn't want his daughter to marry outside this kingdom.
Oh, you've seen it now? This is what I am talking about. If the king doesn't want the princess to marry outside this kingdom, then the next option is my brother. Chai! Who knows? The princess might be in love with him already.
Are you a fool? So you prefer your brother marrying a nobody than marrying from a royal house? Hey!
You don't understand. Egoyibo is my friend, and I don't want her to get hurt.
I I don't know what you're saying, but Adora has not told me that she's coming to us together. But if she is, sorry, that girl has lost. Yes, now, it's uncle. I got my black.
So, that is all about love, please. There was a problem too, isn't it? Our children, they don't on that kind of stuff. So, what is it? We can't. That is it.
Ichi, good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Very well.
Wonderful. Please come over here. Come and sit down. Nice to meet you. Hi. Your father and I have been discussing about you. Yes, we've been talking about so many things concerning your future, particularly your marriage. Yes. You know you are the princess of this kingdom. Of course. Tradition demands that you must marry within this kingdom. Yes. So that is this man the king told me about that is coming for you. But the truth about it is that I do not think that man is our decision. Yeah.
Hold on, Ichi. Sorry. Is it just you people's decision? Don't I have a say in this? I've known Kingsley for some time now and we love each other. He's from the neighboring village. We have almost the same culture and tradition. Ichi, please, Father, I'll be very happy if I'm understood, please.
My daughter, you are right. But not when it comes to tradition. Oh, so that is it.
I have somebody I'll introduce you to.
He or she?
He.
Is he from this kingdom?
Yes, Father.
Oh, from this kingdom?
Yes,
that is good. That is the spirit. In fact, I like children who are respectful to their parents. That's good of you.
Thank you very much, Ichi. Father, I'll be in my room and leave you to continue with the discussion. Thank you.
You're welcome. It's their time.
Izunna, I'm only afraid of Egoyibo. I don't want her to get hurt. You know women and how they think. I love Egoyibo so much. So whatever it is that you are having with the princess, it shouldn't cross your shoulder.
Listen to me, I wouldn't be the one to tell the princess that I love her, I want to marry her, which is not even possible, okay? Egoyibo is the love of my life. As for the princess, she just likes my music.
Okay, oh, I've said my own. Let it end in just being friends. It is Ego baby that I know.
I cannot leave Egoyibo for anybody. Who am I going to leave her for? Her late parents or who? Nothing will come between us. You should know that. Like I said before, the princess is just a friend.
Okay, if you say so.
Now go and get my food.
I'm serious and you're laughing.
I have heard you now.
I'm serious.
Good day.
Young man, how may I help you?
I'm looking for Adora.
Is she aware that you are coming?
Yes, she is. She knows I'm coming.
Okay, hold on. Let me inform her that someone wants to see her. And your name?
My name is Izunna.
Izunna.
Yes.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Sit.
Wow.
Make yourself comfortable.
Thank you very much.
Let me fetch my father.
Okay. All right.
Your name is Izunna.
Yes, Your Highness.
I know your father. He was so great in playing until the white man taught him how to play this. You know how to play this from your father?
Yes, Your Highness.
That's reminding me. How about the death of your mother? Please accept my deepest sympathy.
Thank you, Your Highness. It is the will of the Lord.
So, can you show me the stuff that I got to you? I can get some much.
don't seem to be fine at all. Ever since you left this village to your cousin's house, you don't care about your friends anymore. At least you come once in a while to know what's happening in this village.
Chinaza, you're one of my childhood friends in this village. In fact, we grew up together. How many times have you thought about this your friend who lost her father? This same friend who suddenly became an orphan. Since I had no one to lean on, I had to go to my cousin's house. Besides, did you for once come to check on me? No, you did not. And now you are asking me to come and ask you what is going on in this village. Chinaza, if I want to know what is happening in this village, it is very simple. I will ask Ezine or Izunna. I'm sure they will happily tell me.
Nene Sezoku, are we quarreling?
We are not, my sister, we are not.
So tell me, what has Izunna and Ezine told you is happening in this village?
Nothing for now.
Are you sure?
I don't understand. What is this? See, Chinaza, please, I don't feel so well. Let me go and rest. Oh,
Cherry. You know I'm your friend. I have not come to your cousin's place. It's because I want to know what I'm seeing is pure. Now I know it's pure. I think I'll tell you what's going on.
What is that thing that is so pure that you want to tell me?
Listen, let me tell you. It's very few of us that know about your relationship with Izunna in this village. The truth as we speak is that Izunna and the princess are in love. That's not all though. In fact, their love has gotten to the palace and the Igwe approves of it. I am going, eh? Take heart.
Izunna, what is happening here?
Ego baby. This on your face is squeezed like this. Did anyone annoy you?
Will you keep quiet and answer my question? Who is this fool?
Ego, what is it? Why are you shouting?
Wait a minute. Izunna, who is this thing?
Please.
What gave her the audacity to call me the princess of this great kingdom a fool?
I even called you a fool, you are not happy. In fact, you're a royal prostitute. If you dare come close to me, I will feed your eyes with vultures.
Don't worry. It's my fight. Izunna, I'm okay. It's my fight.
I'm begging you. This is my house. Please do not eat anything rash. I'm begging you.
Let me back. Let me. You want to? No! Leave me. Allow me.
Why would Egoyibo behave in such a manner? What is that problem?
But I've told you severally to be careful about your relationship with Adora, the princess. But you wouldn't listen to me now. Now, maybe she have heard some rumors.
What stupid rumor did she hear? Even if she heard any nonsense, couldn't she have asked me? Did she have to go and fight the princess like that? Why did she fight her and embarrass herself like that?
But the princess slapped her first.
So? Is she stupid? Why would she fight her?
What did I just hear? Who is the girl that dare touch the princess?
Jane, it's okay, I've handled it. Please.
But who gave her the guts to do such a thing? Who is the so-called idiot?
Well, she's Izunna's friend.
Izunna! I am so disappointed at you. How could you? How could you do such a thing? How could you allow your friend to do such a thing? Where is she? Is she here? Where is she? Is she from this community? Where is her house?
I don't know where she lives. Joya.
Since you cannot do anything, I want to do it.
Oh. Can you imagine? Who does she think she is? We all know how her father suddenly became king. Yes, so she can do this her princess drama for those who do not know her or her family. As for Izunna and I, we have come a long way, and not even that stupid princess can come between us.
That's my ego. I love what you do. Ofunkiji, that stupid princess, want to snatch it away from me. You have to fight for your rights. I am behind you.
Before, what do you think I'm doing? Fighting for my rights?
Yes.
Can you imagine? Izunna was busy playing guitar for her, and she was just there, staring at him romantically. What would have happened? That's why you are my friend now. Why you? Am I scared of her? Go there because she's coming. For what?
As you can see, I have removed the princess regalia. I want to know who you are. Achakwamaka, I want to know who you are. And what gave you the audacity, the impetus to lay this your cursed hands on the princess of this great land?
Please tell me, are you a spirit that I cannot even lay my hands on you like you claim? Tell me, what are you? Don't come here and be claiming princess to deceive people. You can only deceive those people who do not really know you. You cannot use this your princess drama to come and deceive my boyfriend. I am a bona fide citizen of this community. So pack this your princess drama and leave it at Upper Iweka. And if you don't mind your tongue, I will personally handle you right away. Who just spoke? Achi, just because of
See these two slaves, so. Are you not ashamed of yourselves? You are here doing boy after a young lady like you. The same lady that has the same breasts like you do. The same opening in between her thighs like you. Look at this stupid idiot. Hey! As for you, Adora, Izunna and I are planned together. So stay away from him. Or else what?
Tell me, or else what? And by the way, who did you just call a slave?
Who else is dressed as a slave here? Please. Who else looks like a slave here? Please.
I am
Let's just set to this. Please. Let's just stop.
Oh God!
Jane, it's not like that. It was the princess that slapped her first.
Izunna, where is she? Eh? Where is she? Adora, where is that Ochakomaka?
Adora!
Where? Adora, you fought again? Yes, I fought her. I would have killed her today if not that she ran away. Eh? She thought that a princess cannot take revenge. Eh? Ochenamba, Ajipota princess. I've kept royalty in the wardrobe. I would have killed her today. Eh? Look at that stupid idiot trying to challenge me. Me, the princess of this land. Hey! Oh,
wait,
God.
Adora, wait a minute. Did you see her around here?
Yes, we saw her on our way here and beat the hell out of her. She just ran away. It has not ended.
Adora, please calm down. Take it easy. Try to forgive Egoyibo now. You're not in the same class with her. She's a nobody.
Egoyibo, is that her name? Okay, we shall see. Even if I will forgive her Izunna, she will have to explain to me what gave her the audacity. Look at that thing. That fat pig. What gave her the authority to slap me, the princess of this kingdom? She must explain it to me.
Just calm.
She will tell me. Oh, she slapped me. She slapped me, Izunna. What me, the princess?
What is going on here? What is it?
I cannot take this.
Say Egoyibo. She came in here and saw me with the princess.
Yes.
Before we could say anything, she landed her a hot slap.
To tell me that Izunna is her boyfriend or whatever.
You said something. You said she's in love with Izunna. Where?
Yes, of course.
I see.
Princess, I don't understand.
No problem. If you are not my sister's child, I should ask you to leave my house. How can you be fighting because of a man? Are you mad? Let me tell you, you have committed a very big sacrilege by touching the princess. And you still have the guts to open your mouth and say it.
But Mama, why should the girl insult her?
Oh!
Is it because she's a princess?
Okay.
Egoyibo is old enough to have a boyfriend. And she has known this boy for a very long time.
Very long time.
Suddenly, this princess from nowhere wants to come and snatch him.
If he allows the princess to snatch him, as you say, that means he never loved her. When a man is in love with a girl, he will never joke with that love. He will protect her and also protect that love. I don't know what is wrong with children of nowadays.
Are you saying the boy does not love her or what?
It is obvious the boy does not love her. How can someone that claims to love her abandon her to the princess, whom he thinks to be richer or more packaged than her? If it were to be in our days, the girl will simply walk away. It is totally wrong for Egoyibo to fight the princess. And it is an abomination in this land. She has to go and apologize to the princess before her father hears it. If her father hears it,
Mama, I will not do that. Besides, Izunna is not just any boy. I am never going to apologize to that boyfriend snatcher. I would rather die than do that. What kind of thing is this one now?
Then you go in there, pack your belongings, and leave my house. That is final, period.
I am not going anywhere. You better get to the idea. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. What kind of thing is this one now? Everybody will just be intimidating me. What is that? You cannot even fight for me. I here telling me to go after. I'm not doing anyone. In fact, I am here to stay. Do they know where we met? Oh no, I really don't get that.
Don't worry.
The worst part is that Egoyibo saw me this morning and did not greet me.
She came to your house?
No. I saw her on my way when I went to see Chidi. She just hissed and walked away.
Egoyibo. That girl has changed. Her character has changed. Izunna, we must find out what the problem is.
Find out, Guinea. Guinea who? Me. Find out what? She had the guts to slap a girl that came to visit me, and you're telling me to find out what? I don't have anything to say to her. I've drawn the line. It is over between us.
No. You won't go that far. Okay? That girl is just a baby. And remember all you both have been through.
Is that what gave her the guts to slap the princess? What is wrong with her? What was that for? In my house? She should have found out who the girl she saw in my house was before reacting.
Izunna, your anger is justified. You are right. Like I told you, I have talked with the princess and she made me a promise that she won't tell her father. Okay? Just take things easy. Have you seen her since then?
Who?
Adora.
No.
You should have gone to her house. And she must be so angry by now. Go
I
to
know.
her house and calm her down.
I know. I'm taking my time. I want all this to settle. I'll see her soon.
What's this whole thing, eh? Izunna, please, don't leave that girl.
Emeka, please. Don't tell me about Egoyibo again. Biko.
Good afternoon, sir. Thank you. I have some kind of room, but I've not confirmed. Oh, woman. See, I have some kind of room, but I've not verified it is rumor. I want to buy snuff at the usual place. Them some snuff favours we are talking about. A princess that fought a girl along the road of Ofianko. But I've not consulted anybody to find out the truth. A princess fighting along the road against a girl.
In this community?
Yes.
What about the king? Is he aware of it?
I'm not sure he's aware because we were together last night. He didn't tell me about such a thing.
Is it everything that the king will tell you?
See, Chisholm, I am not only a traditional ruler, a title holder, but the title I got before you were born. I'm also a kingmaker. You won't understand that.
I also heard someone saying it on the street today, that they saw the princess fighting with two other girls, and they even made it were involved.
Then that confirms what I'm telling you. It confirms it. Oh, princess fighting a commoner. Is that strange? Okay. Chisholm, give brother and brother chance to talk privately. Brother to brother. So, how is it going? Is it Oh, no, this one is too soft for my life.
My princess, I have come to apologize for what happened the last time. Honestly, I didn't mean for you to be embarrassed in that manner. Deeply sorry about that. Please forgive me.
Don't worry yourself. Like I said that day before I left your house. It's okay. It's settled. It was never your fault. So don't blame yourself. But I don't know why you should be dating a pig, a non-entity, a girl without a brain. She said I'm a boyfriend snatcher. Me, Adora, the princess of this kingdom.
boyfriend snatcher. She doesn't have respect for anybody, not even for royalty.
Yes. And that is why I have cancelled my relationship with her. Henceforth, I will never have anything to do with her again.
Are you serious? Like, you're done with her?
I'm done with her.
It's okay. I don't think this place is very okay. Let's go to my room.
Your room?
Yes.
No, my princess. This is the palace. What if the king walks in on us, or the man who wants to marry you? That will not be a good situation, please. Let's stay here and talk.
Are you done preaching? Izunna, did I tell you that my bride price has been paid? Or that I'm owned by anybody? Please. As for the king, he traveled. And I'm old enough to invite a friend to my wedding. So, you don't need to worry yourselves.
Are you sure?
No. This is not nice. This is getting out of hand. Listen, I will advise you to before you do. Alright? Not all that glitters, they say, is gold. Of course, we know that Egoyibo erred. But she remains your little girl. Is she not the same Egoyibo?
I don't even know why you're wasting your time talking all this nonsense. I have told you what is on the ground. I'm not joking. Adora has asked me to marry her and I have accepted.
Izunna, that a woman asked you to marry her and you accepted. Izunna, please, is she the one to ask you to marry her or should it be the other way around? Eh? Besides, is it not the same princess you told me has a suitor?
She doesn't have any suitor anymore. Her father has insisted she gets married to a man of this kingdom. That is what is on board now. I don't even know why you're ranting over it.
And what is your problem in all of this? Why are you even carrying it on your head like gala? If you want to get married to Egoyibo, go ahead now and stop disturbing my life. What is your own? We are both orphans, aren't we? What? And you, what are you doing here?
I came for us to see.
You came for us to see about what? After insulting my visitor, right? You are nothing but a dirty monkey. And if you do not get out of my compound this minute, I will do something I'll regret.
Izunna! Mind your words! Why are you talking to her like that?
Did she mind her words when she was insulting Adora? When she raised her dirty, filthy hands to slap her? Are you sick in the head? Now let me tell you, it is over between us. And for your information, Adora and I are getting married. So you can go and die for all I care. You are useless to me and your parents.
Izunna, are you the one that said all these things to me? Hey, Izunna, that I am of no use to you and my family. And that I'm useless, Izunna, me.
Egoyibo, please. Egoyibo, that wasn't what I told you, please. He didn't mean to say that.
Izunna, you must suffer for all these things you've just said to me. After everything I did for you, you still have the guts to stand there and tell me that I'm a useless person. Well, let me just respect Izunna and Emeka. But don't forget, you will definitely regret this. And you will suffer, Izunna. So I will fire you, Izunna.
I will suffer. You came to my house to lay curses on me.
Stop! What's the problem?
Take out the stop over you, Izunna, stop!
Izunna, I said this thing earlier. I told you that. I said if your relationship with Adora will bring problem between you and Egoyibo, then you should know how to handle it. But you wouldn't listen to me. Eh? As a matter of fact, you laughed over it. Now, the guy is crying every minute. A guy that doesn't have a father, a mother, not even a single sibling. Izunna, you this heartless. I can remember how this girl helped Mama when we were in Mazi Oku's place. She baited her, fed her, all because of you. And now...
You shut up and stop talking to me like that. What useless help did she help that nobody else has ever done in this life? When my guitar got spoiled, was she not the one that gave me money to repair it? Even when I lost the first guitar, did she not give me the money to get it? Did she not get me a new one? What is this you're telling me about help?
Izunna, all you said is true. At least I can confirm that. But let's not forget the other good side of this.
To hell with the other side of her. To hell. What is it? Don't I have a right to make a choice? What is the business of both of you in it now? What's your problem? Listen to me. I don't want you to tell me about this girl again. Please.
Izunna, it's a lie. Nasi. You better go back to Egoyibo and explain your so-called relationship with Adora. I don't want that girl to fall sick because of you.
What she said is right.
Emeka, I'm going to the palace. Are you coming with me or not?
I'm coming with you, but Egoyibo is important. Izunna. Okay, wait. Let's go, wait. Come over.
Listen, I'm hungry. Go and get me. Am I not talking to you? I said I'm hungry. Go and get me food.
Hey, I thought you said you were going to the palace. Didn't see it in the palace.
What is your business if I went to the palace? It's like you want to look for my trouble this night or where? If you do not take your time, I will handle you the way you will not like this night. Go and get me my food.
Sorry, I'm so sorry. I think a palace is a place where the whole world ends, where you can eat and dine. So how come you're coming from the palace and you're still asking me for food? Or is Adora not there? Because recently she has become your all and all.
Yes. Adora has become my all and that is the truth. If that is what pains you, you might as well die off. And let me remind you, or warn you rather, to tell that girl, Egoyibo, not to ever step her feet in this compound again. Tell her I said so.
It's a lie. It's a very big lie. This house belongs to both of us. And Egoyibo is my friend, and she has every right to come and visit me here.
Dare me.
Oh, what kind of nonsense is this? You have not seen anything, You have not seen anything. Egoyibo will continue to come to this house, and there's nothing you will do about it. As a matter of fact, I will ask her to move in with us. Izunna.
You will ask her to move in with me?
Now?
In my house?
Yes.
You will ask her to move in this house?
She'll be our
Try it. Try it. And if I don't kill you with my bare hands, no, my name is not Izunna.
Cannot do anything. You have changed a lot. You have forgotten those times you used to call her Ego Bekem, Ego Love, her name, Sweet him. Now she's your worst enemy. Nonsense. Come on, eat now. Come on, let me give you food.
Izunna, please, I have come to beg Izu to forgive me. I want you to please beg him to forgive me. I am sorry for everything that happened. Please, Izunna is all that I have. And you are that sister that I don't have. So please, I still love Izunna. I know I overreacted that day. But please, beg him to forgive me, I'm only human. Please,
no, stop, Ego, stop. Don't do that. Ego, you have cried so much for Izunna. It's not the only man in this world.
I love him.
I know that you love him. But still, I don't like the way he's treating you. Just get rid of yourself. It's okay.
Will you thank him?
Yes, I'll talk to him. I will.
Sure.
Yes. But you know my brother is stubborn. He's very stubborn. But I'll try. Eh? It's okay.
I don't want Izunna to leave me.
No.
Please.
He will not. It's okay.
What will I do?
Did I not ask you to warn her never to step her foot in this compound again? Did I not tell you with my mouth that I did not want to see you around my house again?
I'm sorry. Forgive me. I'm sorry.
What are you doing here? What are you doing here? There's something wrong. What are you doing?
Please.
Are you?
She came to beg you now. Hey.
My father told me it's an abomination to lay a hand on anyone from the royal home. And that person must be stoned to death.
Mbao. Stone. No, not my sister. Just go in there. Pick anything you can lay your hands on and just leave right away, please.
Okay.
Ego, come out, please. You're wasting time. You have to leave.
You are looking for Egoyibo.
This is not Egoyibo's house.
You say?
Meaning what?
Meaning that you're in the wrong place. Egoyibo does not live here. Yeah, and you. Why did you bring them to this place? You are aware that this is not our father's house. Why did you bring them here?
Nothing, no. They just asked me to come and show them where Egoyibo is, and meanwhile, with the way you people are looking for her, is there any problem?
The Igwe asked us to bring her to the palace because of that fight with the princess.
It's all lies. We are aware they want to stone her to death just because of a fight.
Guinea?
Yes.
That's it.
We are not here for all these long stories. Where is the young lady?
She's not here. Go and look for her in her father's house.
She's not there. She's not here.
She does not
Go to
stay
her
here.
father's house.
Go and look for her in her father's house.
Enter there. Enter. She must come out too. She must come out. Search inside.
Search
under that bed. You must say go. You go to sleep. Search the other side. At the back. Right here.
Is this her father's house?
At the back. Are you sure? Yeah? You didn't see her? You searched under the bed. You didn't see her? Well.
I'll be back for you.
I know, Chidi. We're waiting for you.